this is Ryder here with a review of the Kamen Geats DX Shield and Arrow Race Buckle Set. So, here we are with our first race buckle set. As you can see, it's basically in the traditional Ryder gimmick box, except for the fact that it's not backwards. So here we have Geats with arm arrow and Tycoon with arm shield. Alright. Here we have the two race buckles like so. So I don't know why they show arm arrow being the main one despite shield being the main one. Then Desire Jar. The names of the two buckles. The gimmick of the two buckles. And just, you know, doing stuff with them. Content warnings. WAP. So here we are with the two race buckles, like so. Obviously, just like a standard race buckle, we have the simple base, but obviously the different thing being the weapon on it itself. So obviously, this will be in the shield. I really like the deep blue, or I guess standard blue this one is. Then track. Then 006. QR code for Kamen. And then the gimmick of this one, you simply press it down. Which, this one's fun. You know, I like it. And here we have the arrow raise buckle. Obviously, it's still, these keep the black, it's just now they have the green. This one's lime green. But I do like how the arrow works. And then this one is 007. And the track. And then the QR code for Kamen. This one's pretty neat, as you simply just pull this back and let go. Which is pretty neat. And I really do like how they got this to work. And then there's the peg for this one. And I forgot to state this because I realized this when I had to wait for the camera to cool down. But you can't tell, but if you actually look at it really closely, there's like the black actually has like a sparkle pattern. And I thought it was just dust. But it is a sparkle pattern. If you can actually view it, but I think that's the closest I can give you, so let's just use these within the Desire Jar. So we'll use Geats for arm shield. So we get this nice deep blue, even though it's showing up really lightly on the camera.
Shield strike.
We like this one. Then armed arrow. We get this green LED. And then as you can tell, when I pull it back, it actually doesn't react, interestingly, until you release it. So now we are Tycoon armed arrow, and again, just simply release it. So yeah, basically that's simple. Obviously Tycoon does use this alongside Boost. We're not going to show it. Magnum Shooter. Shield.
Tactical blast.
Rifle. The same properties actually go alongside with arrow when you use this as the Magnum Shooter. Happily.
Arrow.
So you have to release it, or pull it back and release.
Arrow. Tactical blast.
So, basically, that's kind of it with this set. It's pretty simple, but I don't mind. Just basically because it's been a while since we had sets like this, because we've been gouged. Nope. We've been having to deal with gimmicks that make their own sounds, to which, yeah, I understand people liking that. In my opinion, it's kind of exhausted, so I'm kind of glad that we just have like really simple gimmicks that actually have things set within the drivers, so then we can actually, you know, do stuff that don't require us to actually buy stuff. But I mean, like, this is pretty cheap overall. I think these are about like $8 a piece, just because the raised buckle is like $4. And the thing too is that, like, if you don't want one or the other, or if you want more of the same buckle, you can easily get them through Gashmon Candy Toy. So there's just a bunch of avenues to get these things. And honestly, I think for the first set, I think these are two pretty solid raised buckles. And probably one of my favorites. I mean, my favorite out of the two is definitely Shield. Just because, I don't know, I think Shield's pretty neat. Arrow's fine. I just wish it was actually these things as the weapons. Yeah, now I have to do this review. This is too long. This is Ryder and all of you people. Bye.